Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the directed acyclic graph in data structure. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. In directed acyclic graph, we will be using only two steps. One is use only outgoing arrows. Only outgoing arrows means this, like moving away from that node. Next, second one is backtracking is not allowed. So if you consider, if you start from E and then go to A and again come back to E means it will be backtracking. So if you backtrack to the same position, it will be this cycle formation. Therefore, since we are doing the directed acyclic graph, we must not come back. That is, backtracking will be not allowed in the directed acyclic graph. Now, let's go on solving the problem. So, in the question, E is given as the source node. E is given as the source node. From E, you must consider only the outgoing arrows. So, since I consider E value as the source node, its value will be equal to 0. Source node value will be equal to 0. And other nodes value I don't know. So, I will write infinity to all of them except this one. Because you are not having a arrow backside, that is from E to B you are not having arrow, and if you want to go to B again you can go to A, but you can't go from A to B. So there is no outgoing arrow to B. That is, there is no outgoing arrow to B. Just the arrows are coming from B, but there is no outgoing arrow to B. So its value will be equal to 0. Now we know the value of the two nodes. Another 4 nodes value we need to find out. How to find? Let's see. First, from E, let's use a simple formula, that is d of u plus cost of u comma v less than or equal to d of v. So this is the simple formula. Using this one we will be considering. If you don't know also, while solving the problem you will come to know in a simple trick. Now, if you consider the node E, from E I can go to A, from E I can go to F. Now, what is the cost of E? Initially it is 0. So 0 plus, from E to A it is 2. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, less than or equal to d of V. So initially we didn't know the value of A. So we assigned infinity as the value. If you see, 2 is less than or equal to infinity. Yes, among infinity and 2, who is the lesser one? 2. So just cancel out infinity and write 2. Now another is E to F. E value is equal to 0. From E to F it is 4. Now 4 is less than or equal to infinity. F value is infinity. So infinity. 4 is less than infinity. So you will cross out the infinity and write 4. Now E node is over. B is also over, because its value is 0. Now A, if you consider A, from A you can go to C, from A you can go to F, from A you can go to C, from A you can go to F. Now from A value is equal to 2, A value is new, A value is equal to 2, 2 plus A to C it is 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. C value is equal to infinity. So 7 is less than or equal to infinity. So 7 is less than infinity, I will write 7 here. Now 2 plus A to F. A to F. So it is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Already value is 4. So among 9 and 4, which is the value lesser? So 4 is less. So I will keep it as it is. Because while solving the E node, we got the F value as 4. While solving A node, we got its value as 9. So among 9 and 4, 4 was the lesser one. So I kept that one only. Now A node is over. A node value is equal to 2. Now let's go for the F node. From F you can go to C. From F you can go to D. Now F value is equal to 4 plus, from F to C it is minus 1. So it will be 4 minus 1 will be 3. So C value is 7. So among 7 and 3, which is the less one? 3. So I will cancel 7 and write 3. Now F value is 4 plus, from F to D it is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. less than or equal to D value is infinity. So I will cancel it out, and 6 is less than infinity. So I will write 6. Now I am completed with the F node. F node value is equal to 4. Next, C node. From C I can go to D. From C only one possibility is there. From C I can go to D. Now C value is equal to 3. Updated C value is 3, plus from C to D it is minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 6. 1 is less than or equal to 6. So what I will do, I will cancel 6 and write 1. Now if you see, C node is over. Only D node is left with us, and D node, if you see the D node, there is no outgoing arrow. So I said use only outgoing arrow. There is no outgoing arrows from the D. So we will stop the process here. So what we got, E value is 0, B value is 0, A node value is 2, F node value is 4, C node value is 3, and D node value is 1. So we found out the every node values. That is the shortest path value. Hope you understood the concept of the directed acyclic graph. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and please subscribe and support us so that we will be motivated to make more videos related to engineering. Thank you.